Check areas of the leaking balcony for signs of water penetration and visually assess the internal areas of the leaking balcony for damage or deterioration. Power scrub and deep clean surfaces with specially designed brushes. We scrub and agitate every single grout line as well as the tile surface. Edge and baseboard cleaning are also performed at this stage, and tiles must be firm, clean, dry, sound and smooth. All grease, oil, wax, loose material, paint and any other contaminants must be removed. Fill any defects or holes in grout. Once the ECO cleaning process is completed, we thoroughly dry the surface ready for a non-toxic protection sealer. Remove the existing porous cement-based grout from the floor and remove any mouldy or deteriorated sealants such as silicone. Remove the existing porous cement-based grout from all skirtings. Clean and remove all waste material and vacuum the excess dust from the prepared areas. Use the recommended amounts of Parts 1 and Part 2 epoxy grout. Then add the grout colour powder. Mix to a toothpaste-like texture, ensuring to remove any dry lumps. EPG epoxy grout will be applied to the prepared junctions and floor joints. The application is in form of a 5mm coving around the internal corners. The product will be colour matched to the balcony to give a neat appearance. EPG epoxy balcony grout has been specifically designed for wet area sealing and has the strength to withstand normal building movement. It will not crack, deteriorate or let water penetrate through the junctions. It does not dissolve and is not weakened by strong chemical cleaning agents. Continue to re-grout the skirting the same as the floor. Remove and clean all waste and scrap materials from the floor and skirting using water. Seal the top edge of the skirting tiles, facing joints and internal corners using Seudel's Fix-All polyurethane. If skirting tiles are present, install a fillet to the top of the skirting tiles to ensure a smooth transition of the membrane. Seudel Fix-All polyurethane is a low modulus, flexible joint sealant and adhesive that is free of isocyanates and other hazardous raw materials and emits low odour. Seal balustrade penetration tiles to ensure a smooth transition of the membrane. Seal the internal surface of the floor waste. Generally the grate is not mechanically connected to the waste riser and the sand and cement screed is evident once the grate is removed. This also allows capillary action of wastewater through the screed underneath the tiles. An epoxy sleeve will be applied to its screed, preventing further capillary action. Mix Parts 1 and Part 2 of the clear waterproofing membrane to the recommended amounts as per the direction on the bottle. Apply 2 coats of waterproofing membrane to the balustrade penetrations, ensuring that the first coat has completely dried before applying the second coat. Apply 2 coats of clear waterproofing membrane to the top edge of the skirting tile. Seal facing tile joints, ensuring that the first coat is completely dried before applying the second coat. Finally, we apply 2 coats of Colour Seal waterproofing membrane that is guaranteed for 15 years, and with our clear penetrating sealing surface, we guarantee that your tiles and grout will stay stain resistant for up to 10 years or will retreat the surface free. Call us today on 1300 698 559 or email sales@unitedtradelinks.com.au or visit our website www.unitedtradelinks.com.au.